Repairing your camshaft is an expensive procedure that can run up to $4,000 or more. You may be wondering if there's a less expensive alternative to this, one that can save time and money without being a lower quality repair. Often an important step in replacing your camshaft involves replacing your rocker levers. These are very expensive parts on their own, but we have an alternative solution that may help you. Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Depending on the issues you are experiencing with your rocker levers, you could simply need a new pin or roller. This repair is useful if there hasn't been much damage to the rocker lever itself. A broken pin can create loud noises within your engine and over time can deal massive damage to your camshaft. Replacing that pin is a smart alternative to replacing the entire rocker lever and is a quality repair without breaking the bank. Having a fresh set of pins and rollers extends the life of your camshaft and may be the solution to your camshaft issues. Here at Highway and Heavy Parts, we sell pin and roller kits that can solve your issue without breaking the bank. Such a simple fix can help you avoid costly damage and time-consuming replacement or repair. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So, if you're looking for affordable, OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions, you can call any of our ASC certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our additional social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.